Hello, this is a HDMI LCD display with integrated camera for microscopes offered by Divine International Techcraft, New Delhi, India. This consists of a 9-inch high-definition LCD display that can be mounted on any microscope and turn it into a digital microscope. Its sensor size is 1 by 3 inch and it can click and capture images and also click and shoot videos at 60 fps at 1080p. It has a USB 2 port and a slot for memory card. It comes with a power adapter, a USB cable, a mouse and an adapter FMA 050 with 0.5x reduction lens. This reduction lens is designed to couple C-mount cameras with a microscope's ocular tube or phototube. The male C-mount thread attaches to the camera and the 23 mm tube fits into any standard ocular tube with a 23 mm, 30 mm or 30.5 mm diameter. The 0.5x magnification is ideal for cameras with a 1/2 inch to 2 by 3 inch format sensor, optimizing the field of view and sensor coverage. It decreases magnification by half and doubles the field of view. We will now install it on a compound microscope and see how it works. Just take out the microscope eyepiece and insert the LCD monitor adapter into the microscope's ocular tube. We will now turn it on and see how it works. We have now installed the LCD monitor onto the microscope. We can either connect a PC to the LCD monitor or we can connect a mouse to this monitor. As of now, we have connected a mouse to this LCD monitor. This LCD monitor camera comes with a pre-installed software. Using the easy mouse control, we can either click photographs, record videos, zoom in on an image or zoom out of the image. We can create a mirror image or we can flip the image. We can turn the image black and white. We can freeze an image. We can draw quadrants, that is graph on an image and measure the distances. We can divide the screen into 4 parts. First we unfreeze the image, then we divide the screen into 4 parts. We can have HDR view of the image and we can go to the measurement section where we have whole lot of tools for measuring various parameters. Like we can draw a line or we can draw a circle and measure the distances. So there is a complete software installed in this LCD monitor camera that can be of use in your laboratory. This is an ideal product for use by students, teachers, doctors, pathologists and engineers. We wait for your inquiries and orders for this product. Thank you.